Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. For those of you who have been rolling with me, here's another concept using the black bags that I used about 3 months ago. And these, I used the spa sets from Dollar Tree and the Sage body scrub from Big Lots. I also added a clip bow to this concept, and like I said, we'll be using these clip bows for these types of bags. This allows my client to use the bow for whatever purpose they would like to repurpose it for. I also included the nail polish from Big Lots in here as well. This is a beautiful concept, so please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.